Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone storage full but nothing is there in easy steps. Step 1. Restart your iPhone. Start with a quick restart. This refreshes your system and clears hidden temporary files. Step 2. Check system data. Go to settings, then generals, then iPhone storage. If system data is extremely large like 220 GB or more, that's the problem. We will shrink it in the next steps. Step 3. Clear Safari hidden files. Open settings, then Safari, then clear history and website data. This removes cached files that don't show up anywhere else. Step 4. Offload unused apps. In settings, then general, then iPhone storage, tap any app and select offload app. This removes the app but keeps your data. It can save gigabytes instantly. Step 5. Delete old iMessage data. iMessage stores hog hidden data. Go to settings, then messages, then keep messages and select 30 days. Your phone will automatically delete old photos, videos and attachments. 6. Clear recently deleted album. Open photos, then albums, then go to recently deleted and delete everything permanently. Those still take storage until removed. Step 7. Remove old backups. Go to settings, then Apple ID, then iCloud, then manage storage, then backups. Delete backups from old device. Those do not show inside iPhone storage but still take space. And that's how to fix the iPhone storage full but nothing is there problem. Try those steps and free up space instantly. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.